Alright, so we just pulled the truck up forward. Just gonna go ahead and put on my gloves real quick before I step out the truck. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put down the bed first. We're gonna remove the cable. It's on the edge of the bed right now. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera right here, but once we go ahead and winch that all the way back up towards the rack of the bed, then we're gonna go ahead and grab the forklift and load her up. So let's get going. It's a bit cold. Let's hurry up with this because it's cold. So we'll go ahead and finish off the bed. Nice and easy. There she goes. Lift her up. Alright. So I don't like to drag the bed on the floor. In towing, they teach you not to do that because you can easily damage somebody's property that way. There's been plenty of times where I actually went to job sites, not job sites, but residents, where their ground is like all finished, you know, looks real nice and pretty. So if you come over and you drop your bed and you scrape the hell out of that floor, they're not going to be happy about it. And I don't blame them, because you're talking thousands of dollars of work damaged by, you know, your careless act. So always, you know, have it extend all the way out before you set it on the floor. And it's the same thing in reverse when you're ready to pick it up. So hopefully the forklift is in here. We'll see. There's the yellow one. Don't need that though. Yep, there it is. There she is. Alright. This is the one we're going to be taking. Let's get this door up. There you go. Trouble with this thing. Okay, so before we take it, want to get any stuff, like any loose items, out of this general area. As you can see, just trash, not good. Alright, so let's take this off for now. Hopefully it's loose enough to get it out a little bit. It's not. Great. Up the middle, there we go. Alright, hopefully my forks aren't doing up. Check the edge. Looks like we're good. That's good enough. Set her down. Go. Alright, let's bring her up. She is all golden and ready to go. Let's go ahead and tie her down. 4 chains, 4 binders. go ahead and check, see what trailer is available to take. All right, so we found the trailer. Now what we're gonna do is just back up, attach to it, get going. Ooh-wee. It's a little too hot in here. All right, I'll shut that off. Let's put this back. All right. That's the one. Let's back up to her. Once again, attach to it. Do the inspection of the lights, inspection of the tires on the trailer. Make sure that everything is good to go before we take off. Right there. Beautiful. Sweet. First things first, always latch this. We'll set off our safety chains next. Yeah, that was a little too short. It's good. Sweet. Lights. And then last, our breakaway cable for our brakes. Nice and in there. Push on this guy. Watch your fingers. Make sure she retracts. While we're at it, check the lights on the trailer. Tires. Good. Alright. So something like this, normally I'll throw a strap on it because as you can see it lifts up pretty easily. The last thing I need is this thing to flip back. So we'll do that right now. Tires. All right. Sweet. All right, let's go back on this side again and roll up the landing gear. don't have to be tight. That's not going nowhere. Just so it doesn't bounce back up, that's all. Put too much pressure, you start fucking with these springs. You don't want to do that neither. Just good.
You can throw the bin right here.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm gonna take a pallet of batteries. When we're done, I'm gonna go buy food. That's for everybody.
Sounds good. When you really want to start bouncing out here to the job site?
Right now?
Okay. Let me pull up and then you can load up the bins. Alright guys, right here, this thing keeps popping off, but that's right, I gotta get an extension for that one. We're just gonna drop this trailer here for now, and then we're gonna load up. This gear, this landing gear down, maxed out. So alright, nice. Let's pop this loose. There she is. Alright. All we gotta do is just always want to wheel chock your equipment just in case. There she is. Sadly, this came loose. I don't know how. Probably didn't tie it down right. Alright, go. Sweet. Let's go ahead and drop the forklift. Alright guys, so here. So let's go ahead and unstrap everything. As you see, this is what we're working with today. We have the trailer right there. That's our bin that's on top of the trailer. We're gonna put all the ducting inside of there. And then all we're gonna do is load up that 80-ton chiller that's behind that 200K unit. And then we're gonna go ahead and load it onto the trailer. Put the forklift back on the bed that you see here. And then that should be about it. We're gonna have it leave the bed down. There's no point in bringing it back up. But I'm gonna have to reload the forklift anyhow, so leave it down. Just gonna shut off everything. Alright guys, let's get this unit offloaded. So I'm just gonna push the trailer back, detach from it, and then drop the forklift that's on my bed, and then offload this trailer. hopefully clicks in. Yeah, a little more. That's good. Alright, just like anything else, guys, we'll chalk the equipment. We don't need no accidents. Alright, once that's wheel chalked, we're safe to let go of the pintle hitch. Alright, so we move the truck forward a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and offload this forklift. But before I do that, I got to take these off. These got to come off. Alright. Let's go ahead and get it started, get it offloaded. Alright, now that she's offloaded, as you can see, now we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. So all I'm gonna do is just unstrap this right here that holds, well, obviously the ducting inside this bin. Gonna get this offloaded, this one probably next, and then we'll worry about this guy last. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to unchain it. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Just flip the little lever that's on this guy right here. Flip this guy and it'll start to go ahead and loosen up. So let me get these chains off, let me get this unstrapped, and then I'll go ahead and start recording once we're good to go. Alright guys, so everything's offloaded. Now all we have to do is just, well, not offload it, but everything's unchained, unstrapped. So now we just have to offload it and put the trailer away, and then we'll go ahead and park the truck. That's it. Let's get started. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach to the trailer right there, put her away, and like I said again, I'm gonna go ahead and put my truck in a parking spot. That'll be it for now.